So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and collect out similar photos together, but you don't want to move them off of the folders. In that case, what you can do is utilize something called collections. So to do that, over here in the collections section, you can go ahead and click on the plus button, and over here you can see that create collection is an option. So here you can go ahead and let's say, for example, name the collection as nature, for example, and then click on create. So once you go ahead and do that, a collection is created, as you can see right here. So apart from that, if I were to go around over here onto images, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and click and drag out the images that you want to add to the collection. So I have these flowers. Let's say, for example, images related to nature, like this one right here. I can go ahead and then let's say, for example, hold control right here, or let's say, for example, shift right here to select multiple images as well. I can hold control, or let me just go ahead and select this and this right here, deselect this. I can go ahead and move them out into nature right here. So now it is still, the photo is still in the main folder, but apart from that is now allocated in the collection as well. If I want to remove any picture, let's say, for example, this one, then I can go ahead, right click, and then remove it out from the collection as well. And this is how you can actually go ahead and make a collection right here of separate photos just like this. And you can actually go ahead and add in photos from multiple folders as well. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to go to add to nature right here. Then now I got photos of different folders right here in the same collection, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and create out a new collection inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.